Hi YouTube, hi, this is Andrew. I'm just going to show you a short video on how to do a inner join in SQL. And what we're going to do, we're going to join the city with the address table. Now, if you don't see that, if you don't have the option to see the tables in your organization where you're working at, which I had to do, we didn't have that option where I was working at. What you do is you find out, okay, so let's select everything from address, and let's put a limit on that. Let's say the database is huge. You don't want anything to crash, so 20. Let's run that. So there we go, got all the information. Now let's also take out city. Okay, run that again. Alright, so you got city and address. Okay, so now you notice there's an address ID here. Of course, that's the main ID. There's also a city ID, and we're going to use that city ID, the foreign key, join with this city ID. Alright, so and how we do this, let me just remove all this out here. So you can do select address. Now this is the table name, okay? And now this is the column. You're going to do address ID, and the city table and city ID, and let's add address. I want to see the address in there, and city, space that out a little bit, and why not postal code. You see all this right in here too. Postal code. Okay, now we're going to do our from. Now this is the first, what you're doing is basically doing the first table you want to get it from. So the first table you want to get it from is address. Okay. And you do your inner join. Now this is the second table, city. Okay. And on address. So these are the tables we're using. We're using these two to join. We're using the two IDs. City ID. And let's just add a where function, why not? I'll see the where option out. Okay, now let's run this. So now just want to reiterate, this is the table, this is the column, table, column, table, column. That's why you know that. Okay, and there we go. And we got both of those tables joined. And the city's already in ascending order. We want to do something a little bit different. Order by city. There we go. And you got reverse order. But anyways, I just wanted to show that. And alright, let me know in your comments below what you think, any questions. So we're basically joining these two tables together by common ID numbers. City. Now you notice, see, even the city and the address, they have the same numbers going all the way down. That's what I'm going to look for when you're joining tables. Alright. Alright, have a great day, and I'll check back soon.